Dudu Zuma Sampudla, daughter of former President Jacob Zuma, appeared before the Durban Magistrates Court on Thursday, where she was released on a warning after applying for a bail on charges of incitement to commit violence during the July 2021 unrest. The matter has been transferred to the Durban High Court, with proceedings set to continue on March 20. Zuma Sampudla faces charges under the Protection of Constitutional Democracy Against Terrorist and Related Activities Act for social media posts she shared during violent riots that engulfed parts of KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng, leaving more than 350 people dead. Represented by advocate Dalimpofu SC, Zuma Sampudla maintains her innocence, claiming the charges are politically motivated and intended to target her father. Pofu argued that the state's case was very weak, emphasizing that Zuma Sampudla intends to plead not guilty, and said the post in question remain online. All she said was, "I see you," yet the state claims this amount to incitement. Zuma Sampudla acknowledged posting content during the unrest, but argued that her messages were misinterpreted, and said, "I'm convinced no court will find that the violence was linked to any incitement on my part. My post merely reflected my outrage at the injustice my father faced," she said it in an affidavit. Zuma Sampudla accused the National Prosecuting Authority of malicious prosecution, alleging that the charges were an attempt to settle political scores. She instructed her legal team to pursue a case against the NPA. Magistrate Ifan Kali ruled that there was no justification to deny bail or impose conditions. He highlighted the state's lack of opposition to bail, granting it under exceptional circumstances. There is nothing to suggest any risk in releasing the accused. The state did not oppose bail, and there are exceptional circumstances in this case. Zuma Sampudla bail was set at 3,000 rand. The July 2021 riots followed Zuma's imprisonment for defying a constitutional order to testify before the Zondo Commission of Inquiry into State Capture. The violence saw widespread looting, arson and destruction across the provinces. A 2024 report by the South African Human Rights Commission concluded that the unrest was orchestrated by well-resourced perpetrators, though it found no direct link between Zuma's incarceration and the chaos. The commission criticized the police for being ill-prepared to manage the crisis, citing inadequate training and resources. It recommended addressing socio-economic issues to prevent future unrest. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.